Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the cheapest commercial roofing system. Which one is it? And the short story is, a metal roof and a single ply roof, they cost $8 to $12 per square foot. Spray foam is roughly the same. But the point I wanted to get across here today is that it's a collaboration of a lot of things. It'd be the same thing as if you were going to buy a car. You see the sticker price and you buy it. That's not really the smartest decision to do because you're not considering the cost of insurance, the gas mileage, resale value, how much does a tire and oil change cost. All those things should be involved in the total cost of that car. And a commercial roofing system is no different. So I'm going to go into a couple points here about, the total cost of a commercial roof. The first thing is, it's the cost of the installation. It depends on how busy a roof is. If a roof has a lot of skylights, a lot of penetrations, a lot of HVAC units, doing a single ply roof because it has rolled out sheets, it's difficult to roof around those things, make them watertight. You have to custom cut the roof, use sealants, use boots, etc. All that adds time to a project. A foam system or a spray foam roofing system, you might not have ever heard of that before, but it's fluid applied. They can right around a skylight and it's still part of the roof, and it's simple. So look at the process, look how much labor is involved when you're considering the type of roof system you want to install. The next thing is about Rvalue and future energy savings. If two roofs cost the same amount of money, yet one can save you 10% on your energy bill for the next 20 years, which one would you lean towards? So metal and single ply roofs, they use polyiso board or a similar type of board insulation. It has an R value of 5.5 per inch of thickness. A spray polyurethane foam roof has an R value of 6.5 per inch of thickness, and it just, you can simply get more R value. You can reduce those energy savings over time. The foam never loses waterproofing properties or insulating value over time. ISO board kind of wears away a little bit over time. It'll lose some R value over time, but when you're choosing which roofing system to lean towards, definitely consider future energy savings into that total cost. The next thing is roof renewability. Metal roofs and single ply roofs, once their warranty is over and at the end of their life, most likely they get ripped up, transported to a landfill. Then you got to put a new roofing system on. A spray foam roof is renewable. So a spray foam roof it's 4 parts. It's foam, 2 layers of coating, and granules. The top part, the granules and the coating, naturally wear away over time. But once that 20-year warranty period is over, a company comes in and cleans the roof, adds more coating and granules on there, and you get a brand new warranty. So it's really renewable, and it costs about 1/2 to 1/3 of the cost of installation. So obviously it's a lot more cheaper than ripping everything off and putting a new roof system on there. And then the last thing with total cost is the ease of repair and maintenance. No matter what new roofing system you install, you got to have it repaired, got to have it maintained. Just like your car, every car needs oil changes, new tires, etc. Same thing with the roof. The roof's gonna, endure hail damage, foot traffic. You just need someone to look up on there constantly because you don't want a small repair to turn into a very large repair. On roofs that have open cell insulation, such as fiberboard, if water gets in there even a little bit, it can get into that board and expand, which makes the repair difficult. You don't know how far it expands out. Someone will have to cut all the way around that board and get the membrane out, put new board, new membrane on there, and then seal it all up. A spray foam roof, everything's on top, so if it gets a cut, the water will just sit in there, and since it's closed cell, it will not expand vertically into the roof system. It's very simple. You just cut around that area, dry it out, and put some caulk or sealant in there, smooth it out, and the repair is over with. So definitely look for that when you're considering the total cost of a roof. That's really it. I just wanted to get that point across where don't just get 3 quotes and pick the cheapest one and that's the one you choose. Take into consideration the energy cost, repairs, renewability, how easy the installation is, etc. If you want to learn more about any of these 4 points, please click below. There's a link to the blog post. And I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.